What's up, guys? Giancarlo Bodoni here, and we're at the Sheepdog Response HQ. This is where I teach all my nightly classes, so Monday through Thursdays and Saturdays we'll be teaching classes here. It's pretty common where it's little. Maybe I hit the same move, pull him down, and when I lock up, and I start looking back, all I'm going to end up in a situation where he brings his knee and elbow very close, and I feel that from here, I'm feeling I just can't insert the hook. Whenever we see this, a good thing that we can do to start creating space is go in and peel off my training partner's defensive hand. And from here, once I take it off, I start immediately coming in and creating a threat at the neck. And so I create a genuine threat where he has to react and he has to start looking to fight for it. And as his hands start to come up, you'll see that he starts to create some space in between his elbows and knees. And so as he's addressing the threat at the neck, we can go in and we can start looking to insert our two hooks. Okay? So we'll oftentimes end up in a situation like this one. If we get to the finish, it's a bonus, but a lot of the times we're going to pull that hand down and we got our hooks in this point. All right, let's give it a shot. For this particular scenario, we're going to be on the overhook side. So the bottom arm, I have a top arm and a bottom arm. The bottom arm is going to be over his shoulder. My head will always be on the side opposite my strangle hand. Bring your head very close to your training partner's head. Okay. Now, most common defense, these guys are going to come in and he's going to place one and two hands on. Okay. So whenever I see this, we come in and we get a hold of our training partner's knuckles and we start looking to strip that first hand off. And immediately, the second my thumb becomes free, we just finger walk the hand across his shoulder. And that'll put my elbow in a better position. Now, once I get it behind the shoulder, once my fingers are behind his shoulder, we just walk, and we bring it behind the neck. And we just cover our own thumb with our chin. Now, I want to walk a figure four. But the second that I come in and I start looking to lock, this hand's going to start coming up. So the second that this hand starts coming up, instead of trying to lock my hands, I just grab his wrist and I push it down and away. And now, because my hand's on top, I can quickly come in and get to my own hand. So I cover my strangle fist with my left hand. And then I use that to then punch the hands into place. I want my left hand going to my right shoulder, but I want my right hand to go to my left shoulder. Okay? So simultaneously, don't try to go to one and then leave this hand underneath. I cover and I punch both hands through. And then from here, we start a rotation to get to our finish. All right, let's give that a shot. Guys, don't forget to enter into the giveaway. We're going to be giving away 10 dangerous kits. This rash guard with the matching shorts that are coming out soon. Make sure to check it out. Fully customizable and put your own name. You can put a whole bunch of different images, no images, whatever it is that you want. This is my kit that just recently came out. We're going to be announcing the winners at the end of the month. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe to Future Kimono's YouTube channel. And make sure to go to the video, okay, where we announced the giveaway. I'm going to leave a link for that in the description. You're going to leave a comment on that video with the word giveaway and how you like to come back from losses, okay? And if you do those three things, you're going to be entered into the giveaway. 10 people will be randomly selected for the giveaway, and it'll be announced at the end of the month. You guys are going to start off. All around today will be from turtle. So start position is just like so, hand on the floor, knees around, and one hand around the waist. So if you're the offensive guy, you take your opponent's back and you put two hooks in, and you keep going from here. Okay, your opponent goes to mount, bottom mount, you keep going from here. So any dominant position, you guys keep going until either the offensive guy gets a submission or the bottom person goes in and recovers to a neutral position. Okay, so if he manages to get back to open guard, or closed guard, or standing, neutral, he's going to escape and you guys will switch top and bottom. Okay, all 3 rounds from turtle today. Give it a shot. always going to have the glass.
Time guys, good job, good training everyone. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed that. That was just an average Nogi night class here at Gracie Humaita Cedar Park. We had fundamentals class and then we had the all levels class that followed. Hope you guys enjoyed the instruction, hope you guys enjoyed the rolling footage. Just a little bit of a sneak peek of what our classes are like over here. And don't forget about the giveaway. We're doing the Dangerous Rash Guard giveaway. We're giving away top and bottom 10 kits. They're going to be randomly selected. Make sure you guys go in and you apply for that giveaway. You're going to have to subscribe to my channel. You're going to have to subscribe to future posts. You're going to have to leave a comment in the comment section below. Make sure you follow me on my other social media platforms, Instagram and Facebook, as well as subscribe to the YouTube channel. That really helps me out. Give me a thumbs up on this video. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Really helps me boost the algorithm. Really helps keep the channel growing so I can continue to give good content for you guys. Don't forget to check the description for the links to my instructionals and all my other content. Thanks so much for watching guys, and I'll see you guys next time.